Well, guys, we're outside my school right now, and if you guys remember when we were over there practicing with the fire extinguishers, you may have seen me in the previous video. If you guys remember this, yep, it's firefighter Allison's vehicle, her response vehicle. But you may notice that there's one difference from the last one we videoed twice. Yep, it's much bigger. She has a Chevy Equinox now. Pretty cool looking, huh? She just got it. I've been waiting for like 3 months to see it, and here it is. I also want to give, and before we start the tour, I want to give a quick shout out to Chief Winger of Rock Community Fire Department. You guys are doing awesome. Keep saving lives. Keep risking yours. Make sure everybody's safe. Thank you. Anyway, let's have a look at her car real quick.
Yeah, go on, buddy.
Mr. Abedi, real quick. Did you tell her about what I told you the other day?
I know. I was going to let you tell her.
Oh.
I'll do it after this.
Okay.
And here's the inside of her vehicle. Oh, and you guys heard the radio. That's an experience. So here is the front of her vehicle. Looks pretty cool looking, doesn't it?
Responding in place of 6416. 6402, running place of 16.
Yep, so there's the front of her vehicle there. I got it. Here's the back seat.
17, you're clear to disregard.
You see that third row in there, buddy?
Uh-huh.
Kinds of people in there.
Mm-hmm. So here's the first back row of her vehicle. A lot more space. You can fit a lot more equipment in here compared to the last one we seen. Pretty cool.
Only time that third row is used.
Have a look at the back, Mayor.
All the way down at the bottom. There you go. There you go, buddy.
Here's the back of the vehicle, the trunk here, where she keeps all of her equipment and stuff. Pretty cool looking. I already did. Here's the other side of the first row. Pretty cool looking, huh? All right. Here's the front seat again, but on the driver's side. Pretty cool, huh? And there's her radios over there. It's pretty cool. We finally got to hear her radio go off. Well, hope you all enjoyed the tour. Quick look at the outside before we sign off. It's much longer compared to the last one we toured twice in October and November. Oh. Colors of the American flag on the rock community. That's pretty cool. I love it. Oh, and just so you guys know, she came to my Special Olympics game. Well, pretty nice looking. I like it.
You like it?
Yep. And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. Oh, and Rock Community Fire Department, especially you, Chief Winger, keep up the good work. Help as many people as you can. Thank you.